What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists coming to you with a tool unboxing from Anson PDR. Let's check it out. Let's see what we've got here. I don't have my knife, so got to be prepared for these videos. Get my trusty knife. Done with this. Don't need this anymore. So you guys recently know that I did take the EV IMI hybrid class at Anson PDR in Texas earlier in the month. So I decided to order their hybrid EV kit that is off of their website. It comes with some gloves, some other stuff you need for the hybrid certification. So I want to go through this unboxing. There's a couple other things in here that I ordered, but I want to go through the unboxing with you and see what you get in this kit. So let's check it out. So they are awesome with these little goodie packs that they always give you. Comes with a glue stick, a nice little towel that says Anson Hail Bound. I love this logo. Some extra glue tabs, some different stuff in here. A bunch of stickers if you're a sticker guy. You know, it's just a really nice touch that Anson does for you. It looks like they've included a awesome Anson Hailbound banner, which is super cool. I love this new logo. I do believe Jesse created the logo. This thing's gonna be awesome. It's gonna hang up in my shop. Let's get through the good stuff here. Nobody wants to see the invoice, how much this stuff cost. So here's a pair of cotton gloves that go underneath of your IMI gloves, the EV gloves that you're supposed to wear. So it comes with those. Here's a roll of the barrier tape. So the eco barrier tape, you're supposed to rope the vehicle off when you're powering it down. Here is the bag with the EV gloves in it. They're supposed to only last a couple months. You're about 18 months worth of use, and then you're supposed to get them recertified. So I probably won't open this package until I'm ready to use it. But here's the EV gloves that come in this package. Here is the steering wheel cover that you're supposed to put on the steering wheel when the vehicle's powered down, so they know that it's powered down and that you're not supposed to move it. And here is the rubber mat. So this rubber mat is class 0 up to 1,000 volts. Whenever you order these mats, make sure they say that. You can get all these types of rubber mats that don't have that certification. And this is the mat that you're obviously supposed to stand on while you're powering them down. So that's why this kit was something you really needed to get if you had that certification. My all-time favorite, the cactus green glue. I absolutely love this stuff. Every time I place an order, I order a bag. Can't go wrong with cactus green glue. Bought a bag of the pivot tips. Hayes came out with these. I did get a package at Anson's open house. I decided to buy another package when I placed this order. These things work awesome. They move around. I use them on an R4 on a rod as just a pushing, or you can use it for crown work. And I got Woody's match grade tips. This one is a dome. It's a really good tip. I decided to get this. I did buy the Fender edge pliers from B&D at Anson's open house. And I do a ton of rolled over edges on a bunch of vans. So I think this tip will work really well for that, to move a lot of metal at one time. And I also got the soft tip from Woody from Dent on Dent Tools too. So we're gonna see how this thing works out. I've been using the Ultra tip, but I wanted to give this one a try. So I'll have to definitely let you guys know how these things work out. But this is a purchase I ordered from Anson. I'm in Maryland, so it came in 3 days. So I really can't complain. They've always got great customer service, always add extra stuff in the bag, in the box. So just a great family business to do business with. So when I first get my first hybrid vehicle to do, I'm going to bring you guys live and we're going to film the whole process just so you can see what it takes to do that IMI training. If you have not taken the IMI training, I would really do it. Even if you don't do a lot of hybrids, it's another way of income. So when I came back, I explained to a lot of my shops, hey, we're hybrid trained now. So if you want to power down a vehicle and we can do it, it's another service you have to offer to your shops. But it's definitely something to know, just the knowledge of the class, the dangers, the things you have to do to power them down. Vince is really, really good in the class. I was lucky to have Kevin from TDN there popped in periodically and had some really good information. So if you haven't taken that class, make sure you get signed up. They fill up super fast. It looks like they are having one on the West Coast at Dent Time at Mike Toledo's place, and they're having one in New Jersey coming up. So sign up for that at Anson PDR. They keep rolling classes out. So make sure you get signed up for that. I appreciate you guys watching my unboxing here, and I'll definitely do a quick review on this stuff whenever I get to use it. Thanks for watching. Keep it real, guys. See ya.